Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable voice access in Windows 11. So if you want to use voice in order to control your system, Windows 11, you can enable it by go to the settings by click Windows Start icon and click on settings, and here you can click on accessibility. Try to find interaction speech. Click it. Here, modern voice command feature to help you interact with your PC and dictate text. You can try to enable it, and you can turn on by start voice access before you sign in or after you sign in. Now you can try to turn this on, and here you can click continue to use voice access in English until we fully support your language. And here we go. Say voice access wake up or press the mic button to activate voice access. So here in sleep mode, and this is the setting. You can select your default microphone, manage option like filter profanity, turn on automatic punctuation. You can choose the language, and here you can turn off voice access. And here if you click this is the sleep mode still. And in order to wake up, I'll turn on the voice. You can say voice access wake up or press the mic button to activate voice access. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.